organized by Port City International University, Chattogram, Bangladesh, in association with IEEE, PCIU Student Branch, and Institute of Research and Journals, and having World Conference Alerts as our media partner. This conference is dedicated to Mujib Borsho, organized by Port City International University as a part of celebrating the birth centenary of the father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. We hope it has provided you the opportunity to exchange your research experience and innovative ideas in all aspects of the field of engineering and technology.
At the beginning of the closing ceremony, we are going to enjoy a documentary highlighting the successful journey of Port City International University, Chattogram, Bangladesh.
To ensure the quality of higher education in the country, Honorable Prime Minister of the Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, daughter of Bangabandhu, Sheikh Hasina MP gave permission to establish Port City International University on November 18, 2012 in Chattogram. Port City International University is one of the leading private universities in Bangladesh, founded by Mr. A.K. Menamul Haq Shamin, MP, Honorable Deputy Minister, Ministry of Water Resources, Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, and Honorable Founder, President and Chairman, along with an efficient and dedicated team with the motto to promote excellence in higher education. PCIU started its academic activities with 69 students in 7 programs on May 17, 2013. At present, PCIU is educating around 6,000 graduate and postgraduate students supervised by experienced faculties under the leadership of Professor Dr. Muhammad Nurul Anwar, Vice Chancellor of the university. The vision of the university is to establish itself as a global leading university to contribute to the development process utilizing the advancement in higher learning and research. With the heartfelt cooperation and sincere guidance of Honorable Founder, President and Chairman Mr. A.K. Menamul Haq Shamin, MP, Deputy Minister, Ministry of Water Resources, Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, the university is striving to prepare the students to meet the challenge of ever-increasing professional demand. PCIU has been running academic activities in its own student-friendly campus where multimedia-supported classrooms, Ratnagarbha Alhaj Begum Ashrafun Nisa Library, Bangabandhu Corner, Medical Center, Cafeteria, Common Room, Prayer House and other state-of-the-art facilities are available. Begum Ashrafun Nisa Foundation provides scholarship to needy and meritorious students of PCIU in every trimester. Till 2020, a total of 874 students are offered scholarship of 36 lakh and 34,000 taka from this foundation. Port City International University is running academic activities under 10 departments within 3 faculties. Faculty of Business Administration, Faculty of Science and Engineering, Faculty of Humanities, Social Sciences and Law. Departments are Business Administration, Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Civil Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Textile Engineering, Fashion Design and Technology, English, Law, Journalism and Media Studies, and Natural Science. The departments are well equipped with sufficient laboratories and technology-enabled classrooms. Every department of PCIU regularly arranges seminar, workshops, lecture series, field visits at every trimester to explore students' talent and prepare them as practical learners. The university has cultural forum, debate forum, IT forum, and sports forum. The students of PCIU are involved in different extracurricular activities to flourish their talent and creativity. Port City International University regularly arranges national and international training programs for the faculties to make them qualified as educators and researchers. Meanwhile, faculties attended international training programs in Malaysia, United Kingdom, and India. Center for Training and Development organizes periodical training sessions for the newly appointed faculty members for preparing them perfect for the classroom challenges. To ensure global standard higher education, teachers-students exchange and joint collaborative research program with foreign and Bangladeshi universities has been arranged. PCIU has academic collaboration and MOU with the Nobel Institution for Environmental Peace Canada, Pan-Pacific University Philippines, Nanjing University China, Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology India, and Military Institute of Science and Technology Bangladesh. PCIU publishes a peer-reviewed multidisciplinary journal every year. 7 volumes of the journal have been published since 2015 to 2020. The university arranged its first convocation in 2019. Our talented and qualified graduates are serving the nation and the world with honesty, dedication, and knowledge. PCIU hopes to start academic activities at its permanent campus located at Kolpolok in Chattogram within a short period of time. To explore a new horizon in higher education is the cherished dream of PCIU, and university is gradually heading towards the desired goal with strong determination and dedication to turn your dreams into reality.
Dear audience, thank you for enjoying the documentary highlighting the successful journey of Port City International University, Chattogram, Bangladesh. Dear audience, our honorable chief guest and special guest will arrive with us a little later than the scheduled time, so we have made a little change in the program schedule. As a part of these, now I would like to request Mr. Shorup Chakraborty, Chair of Technical Program Committee, ICS-DTIR 2021, Senior Lecturer, Department of Tripoli, Port City International University, to share conference overview with us.
Thank you. Good afternoon, respected Chief Guest, Dr. Hassan Mohammed, MP, Honorable Minister, Minister of Information, Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, a special guest, Mr. Mohibul Hassan Choudhury, MP, Honorable Deputy Minister, Ministry of Education, Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, a special guest, Mr. Saifuzzaman Shikor, MP, Honorable Member of the Parliament, Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, Organizing Chair, respected researchers, and my colleague, on behalf of the Technical Program Committee, it is my honor to present a summary of the conference in front of you. At first, I would like to thank keynote speaker of inaugural ceremony, Mr. Junaid Ahmed Polok, MP, Honorable State Minister, Information and Communication Technology Division, Minister of Post, Telecommunication and Information Technology, Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh. Chief guest of inaugural ceremony, Dr. Deepu Mani, MP, Honorable Minister, Ministry of Education, Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh. Finally, I especially thank to Mr. A.K.M. Enaul Haq Shamin, MP, Honorable Deputy Minister, Ministry of Water Resources, Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, as well as Honorable Founder, President and Chairman, Port City International University and Chief Patron of the conference. The conference committee started the journey at the end of November 2020 and it ends today. Initially, the committee invited the authors worldwide to submit papers on 4 tracks. The tracks are civil and environmental engineering, computing and information technology, electrical and electronic devices and system modeling, and finally, textile materials, clothing, and industrial engineering. who received a total of 87 papers. I repeat, who received a total of 87 papers, including international and national papers, who received papers from India, Spain, Iran, Iceland, United Kingdom, along with Bangladesh. At present,